Alright guys, let's start by reviewing some of the quadrilaterals we have already learned. First we have a parallelogram. So that's when top and bottom are parallel and the sides are parallel. So the opposite sides are parallel. A rhombus, that's when all sides are congruent and the diagonals form perpendicular lines which form right angles. A rectangle, all of those have 90-degree angles, and the diagonals are congruent to each other. A square is kind of the cross between a rhombus and a rectangle. All the angles are 90 degrees. All the sides are congruent. The diagonals bisect, and they are congruent. Okay. Find the value of the variable. Alright, so with this we know the opposite sides are congruent. So we're going to do x plus 2 equals 8. Subtract the 2 on both sides. X is equal to 6. Alright, so Ln is equal to 14 and OM is 5x plus 4. We know those diagonals are congruent, so we're going to set these equal to each other. So 5x plus 4 is equal to 14. Subtract the 4. So 5x is equal to 10. Divide by 5. X is equal to 2. Alright, in a square we know all the angles are 90 degrees. So 9x is equal to 90. Divide by 9. X is equal to 10. Alright, same thing as the square with the diagonals. CE is equal to 6 and FD is x. We know the diagonals are congruent, so we're going to do x is equal to 6. You don't have to solve anything there. Alright, we're going to use the information and name the quadrilateral. So we see right angles, and we see the opposite sides are congruent. So this is a rectangle. Okay, here we see right angles, and all the sides are congruent, so this is a square. Now, all we're given here is that all the sides are congruent, so this has to be a rhombus. Here we're given the opposite sides are parallel, so this is parallelogram. Alright, so we'll just do a quick summary. We learned about special parallelograms. If you have any questions, write them here. Sample test questions. It can be a rectangle. And do y and 32 and 100 and x plus 30.